Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making yummy Nigeria cake. So first of all, I'll start by mixing the margarine and sugar. I will add it inside the cake mixer. Yeah, you can use margarine to make cake. The difference is that you will not add salt to it again because it contains salt. It is salted already. So I'm making 1 kilo of flour. So I'll be adding the whole margarine to it. It's not that so guys, I'll be adding the sugar. This is 3 cups of sugar. Yeah, 3 measuring cup. Machine now. So I will start it with the lower side. So guys, I will add a teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. A sachet of baking powder is equal to 1 tablespoon. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. There is no need to add salt to it because the margarine contains salt already. I've made one pan already. This is the first pan I made. So that is the second one I'm going for. So I will cover this and set it outside. Mind you guys, I'm not a professional cake maker. Okay guys, that is a disclaimer for you. So if you want a professional cake advice, you can ask people like Love Cake. What did I say? Love Cake. Can you hear the name? Those are professional cake makers, so you can ask them for help. This is the little way I know to make a cake. And mind you, this cake is not for me, it's for somebody. So I'm just helping to make the cake. Okay, enough. Yeah. So guys, this is the eggs I will be using. As you can see, it's a egg size of egg, little ones. It's not medium egg. So I will be using about 18 of this egg to make the cake.